Introducing the 3-in-1 Hydro Microdermabrasion Machine, the ultimate all-in-one solution for deep cleansing, exfoliation, and hydration. Simplified facial care with our versatile 3-in-1 functionality, deep cleaning, exfoliating, and hydrating for glowing results. Tailored treatments with precision using our Hydrodermabrasion handle with 8 heads and Diamond Dermabrasion handle with 9. Ideal for all skin types. With up to -73 kilopascals and -70 kilopascals suction, this machine tackles deep skin concerns for superior results. Its compact design and easy mobility offer busy professionals more flexibility without the hassle. Please enjoy safe, painless, non-invasive treatments for a comfortable experience and optimal skincare results. Enhance your salon's services with the 3-in-1 Hydro Microdermabrasion Machine, precision, power, and portability in one.